Hello guys, today we're taking the Jeep from this to this. If you're installing this rock slider by yourself, you can get some jack stand to support the weight of this rock slider because now do the same with the other side and you will be good to go.